Here are the top headlines on ITWeb this week. The state IT agency, ITWeb, is once again under scrutiny as the Parliamentary Portfolio Committee on Communications and Digital Technologies considers an inquiry into its governance issues and allegations of maladministration. This follows an oversight visit to ITWeb in December 2024. Moving on to the next story, Dr. Setemo Mohopi, the former ITWeb CEO and now Tufari Capital CEO, discussed his tenure as the only leader to serve a full term at ITWeb. He highlighted challenges such as the underutilization of the government's private cloud ecosystem, which hinders effective policymaking. In other news, solar installations of up to 50 kilowatts may qualify for an exemption from registration-related fees until March 2026. Eskom confirmed this after concerns surfaced about penalties for unregistered installations. Solar energy remains a popular choice for South African households and businesses seeking reliable, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly power solutions. Shifting focus to social media, experts and creators have criticized TikTok for neglecting African content creators by not providing competitive monetization programs. While US and European creators benefit from TikTok's Creator Fund, African creators often struggle to secure brand deals and live gifts to earn a living from the growing creator economy. Finally, in the telecom sector, Telkom reported a 21.6% growth in its mobile subscriber base, reaching a record 24 million users by the third quarter. The company's data-led strategy continues to drive performance, with a notable 17.3% increase in mobile data usage and strong growth in earnings, subscribers, and network infrastructure. For these and more news, visit itweb.co.za, itweb.co.za.